In this case, we will present a pregnant lady in the 20th week of her pregnancy. Previous scans showed the pregnancy to be progressing as expected. As part of the 20-week scan, we will evaluate the fetal heart.
In the 20th week of the pregnancy, we can now assess and evaluate the fetal heart on congenital abnormalities. We will use the convex probe and begin, of course, with application of the ultrasound gel. Important to know is that the fetal heart beats with approximately 160 beats per minute at this age. This is a really important aspect we need to consider in choosing our image parameters as optimal as possible. For this application there are several technical tools to obtain the final image. The question in this case for you is to come up with technical ideas to have our image refreshing with enough speed to image the fetal heart while maintaining enough information on our image. To make it a little bit easier for you, there are several parameters to adjust that you can think about. For example, focus, scan diaphragm, scan depth, gain, dynamic range, frequency and more. Your goal is to make a stock taking about these options. Are they important in our case? Yes, or why not? If they are, how should we set them?
It may seem to be a lot for you to process right now, but we encourage you to voice your thoughts and ideas. In the next few weeks we will elaborate more upon the technology of ultrasound. At the end of the course we hope to have given you a better understanding about the value of image optimization parameters.